first progression we need to look for when trying to handstand is our box walk-ins into our box rock drill. So we're going to go through both of them now. What we're going to start with is putting our feet on the face of the box. So we're going to go on the corners of the box, and we actually want to have our feet on the face. So bring your feet out wider. So the straddle just helps create a bit more range, and the reason why we have our feet on the face of the box is because we can create some leverage and get some more range through our hamstrings. So to start with, we'll start in the plank position. So just getting used to being with our feet higher than our hands, and then we want to be able to walk in until we create a 7. So we call this the vertical stack. The vertical stack is we're looking for a straight line from our wrist all the way to our hips, and ideally we're going to have a slightly extended lumbar spine so that our bum can be our counterweight and help us stay in that balanced position. So for anyone who's super tight, they're going to feel this through their thoracic. And now what we're looking for is our ability to drive our armpits towards the box. So you can see here, we're going to go through a rock. So if he allows his arms to come forward, you can see that he's not stacked. And then when he drives his armpits to the box, now he's creating that vertical stack that we're looking for. So if we need to, we can soften our knees a little bit to create a little bit more extension through the spine. But ideally, we want to get to the point where we've got straight legs and a massive extension through the thoracic, and we're trying to get our armpits to the box.